Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the map magnification on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the Tools button you can find the first option, the Settings. At the left side on the screen, go to the Map options, and in the Map magnification just select a type and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.